So today we are at Nitrous Express and Snow Performance, and we're going to be flow testing a nitrous plate that we're going to be using on our white Mustang. Let's go. I get awkward when I'm on the camera, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So we're here with Mr. Raska, who's going to help us flow the nitrous. When you flow nitrous, you don't get horsepower from the numbers that you get. You flow it for pounds per hour. So basically, pounds of nitrous that are flowed through the plate per hour. So you measure the bottle, weigh the bottle before you flow it for 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
And then you measure it after, and then you times 5 seconds to get you a full hour. And that tells you how much your nitrous kit would flow in a full hour of holding the button or the micro switch, or
then you can match your fuel accordingly. The setup we have here is crossbar plate, 4500 crossbar plate. We have 4 15300L solenoids, and we have 4 136 jets. This thing should flow a lot of nitrous.
We're gonna flow all the nitrous through a plate.
See how much it'll take.
So right now we're just waiting for the bottle to get up to temperature. You like it at what, 900, 950?
We like to start about 950 and then purge it down and do our test from there.
Sweet. So we're at like 825. We'll see you when it's at 950. So while we wait for that bottle to heat up, I'm going to tell you about the new giveaway that we're doing this month. We have a complete billet crossbar plate kit right here, including bottle, that we're going to give away to one person at the end of the month after the giveaway is closed. You can get yourself entered by buying anything on our website, missmav.shop, and that will get you 1 entry per item you purchase. So if you buy 10 items, that's 10 entries into this giveaway. If you buy 1 item, that's 1 entry into this giveaway. This kit goes from 100 horsepower to 500 horsepower. So it's for all you that are scared and only want to run 100 horsepower, or you know, big balls racing Jimmydale, 500 horsepower. You got your 2 nitrous, or your nitrous and your fuel solenoid, purge solenoid, some wires, bottle bracket, plate, obviously. I don't know why I'm dancing, I'm hitting my arm. Lines, you need lines to go, you know, from bottle to the thing and the thing to the thing and the stuff. Little buttons, fittings, jets, we got it all. So get yourself a kit and let's go flow this plate.
No, I'm good.
No, I get really nervous.
Oh.
This is why this is happening.
You got it.
Yeah. So we're at 950. We're actually at 960 now. Raska's gonna purge it through the motor. Just to make sure that the nitrous is at the solenoids and we get a correct reading. And now we're actually gonna do a flow test, and I'm gonna step back here.
We put our start bottle weight, our pressure that we're starting with in there, and then we'll do our 5-second test, and we'll take those readings after, and it'll give us the calculated horsepower and pounds per hour. Ready?
Yep. Yep. That was chilly.
26.39. So on that test, we calculated 5,191 pounds per hour Divide by 4 horsepower numbers is 1,298 horsepower
So you can run 1,300 horsepower through a plate kit.
through a plate kit. This is set up.
Possible.
This is configured for dry, so you'd be an EFI
you
situation.
Yeah. You'd
With
have to have
that-
a lot of fuel through your injectors.
Correct.
Not what we're going to run on the white car. We're going to run a little less than that.
A little less?
That's
You want to put that on the white car?
good. No, I think I want that motor to stay together. I don't think I want 1,300 horsepower ran through the. Nah.
No.
Pass.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. One last purge to get the nitrous out of the system. That's it.
Live. Excited. I'm eating my hair, and it's great. What? Are you filming? Hello, we are at Nitrous pressing press. Blah. We're presto. Yeah. I'll flow your nitrous.
No, I'm good.
No, I get really nervous.
Oh.
This is why this is happening.
You got it.
Yeah.
Check. Check.
Hello.
Check.
Hello.
I can see it right there in the green.
Words. We don't pay attention to that one.
Oh.
That's why I turn it the other way so you can't see it.
Okay.
Yeah. We are saying words and doing things. You're not gonna like my answer.
Why does Brent judge all Mexican restaurants off of a bean and cheese burrito?
The most simplistic
Yeah.
shit ever. Like, it's legit a bean and cheese burrito.
You can get that at El Polo Loco.
So, words aren't coming to me.